So I just finished punching this set of mug rugs. I call them Fred's mother's wallpaper because they remind me of Fred's boyhood bedroom and rec room. And I want to show you how to finish them. For those of you who took our free class, I showed you how to do the whip stitch. So these ones I'm going to finish up a little differently. So monk's cloth frays a lot, so we usually finish it for you with a fabric glue. So there's some right under where your hoop grips, and then a little bit wider. So you feel for the slightly different texture, and we give you enough of a band there so you can trim it, and then you don't have to worry so much about it fraying